How to download TikTok videos without Watermark. So not every video has this feature, but so it's important to know that before you try and start to download specific videos. So go to TikTok, go ahead and find the video that you want to download, and go to the arrow button, that is the share button. So from here, what you want to do is go to the bottom and swipe all the way over to until you see Duet, and go ahead and hit your green screen option, which is the far left option right above the record button. It's important to keep your phone looking up at the ceiling. You don't want to get into the frame, so go ahead and hit record. I'll stop it right there. Go ahead and hit the check mark and then go to next. What you want to do is save this as a draft post. So then from here, go to your profile and go to that draft. And from your draft, you're going to get an option to share, and then it will tell you that you can post the post without a watermark on it. So go to your draft. We'll just hit this one. As you see, I hit the share button and go post to save without watermark. Go back to your profile and you'll see the post here. So go ahead and click your post. And then from here, go to the three dots and you'll be able to download the video. So once it's done downloading, we can come out of TikTok, go to your gallery, and there you go. You have the video without your watermark on it. And if you want to, go back to TikTok, go back to that post, and hit the three dots, and then swipe at the very bottom all the way over, and go ahead and delete the post so that your profile doesn't have a post that you don't want on there. And that's it. That's how